तो आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स क्लास 8 पास कर गए, क्लास 8 क्लियर हो गया, सभी आप लोग क्लास 9th में आ गए। आप सभी का क्लास 9th में स्वागत है। वेलकम टू द क्लास 9। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट चैप्टर, नंबर सिस्टम। पहले नंबर सिस्टम को जानने से पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, प्रीवियस ईयर का कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करेंगे, कुछ रिवाइज कर लेंगे। चलिए तो हम लोग आते हैं, सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं हम लोग नेचुरल नंबर। Natural number. The set of all countable numbers are what? Natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3. Natural number is denoted by capital N. Second one is whole number. The set of all natural numbers including 0 are whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, and we can denote whole number by W. Third one is integer. Integers. It can be denoted by J, and the numbers are all natural numbers. Negative of natural numbers including 0 are called integers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, and 8. This set of numbers are called integers. Now we will focus on rational number. What is rational number? The number in the form of P by Q. The number in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q must not equal to 0, is called rational number. We denote rational number by Q. So what is Q? Q is set of number P by Q such that P Q member Z Q not equal to 0. It means what? All numbers in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0, is called rational number. For example, -3 by 2, 4 by 5, 1 by 2. These are rational number. How can we say that these numbers are rational number? For example, if we will talk about -3 by 2, what is -3? -3 is what? Integer. 2 is what? Integer. And also 2 not equal to 0. According to the definition, P by Q, PQ member Z, Q not equal to 0, -3 by 2 is what? Rational number. And if we will write like 1 by √2, is this number is rational? Check it. 1 belong to Z, but √2 does not belong to Z. This sign is what? This sign is used for member of or belongs to. So number √2 does not belong to integer, therefore this number is not rational number. Next one is, what is 2? Can we say 2 is rational number? Yes, 2 is rational number because we can write it 2 by 1, and 2 by 1 is what? In the form of P by Q, where 2, 1, 2 and 1 are member of integer and also denominator 1 not equal to 0. Hence, we can say 2 is rational number. Even all natural numbers or all natural numbers, whole numbers are rational number. Means all integers are rational number. 0 is also rational number. Why? Because we can write 0 is equal to 0 by 1. 0, 1 belong to integer and denominator 1 not equal to 0. Hence, these numbers in the form of p by q are rational number. Now, the next topic is what? How can we represent rational number on number line? First, we will draw a line. Take any point where we can write 0. And next, at equal interval, this one is 0, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is what? This one is what? Integers, and we can represent all integers on this number line. But now if we have to represent rational number on number line, then how can we represent? For example, if we have to represent 5 by 3 on number line, so for this, first we will draw a line. Take a point where we can represent 0, and next one, take a point where we can represent 5. Now we have to represent 5 by 3. It means the 5 is divided in 3 parts. Divide this part in 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. And all of these are what? 5 by 3. Means what? From 0 to this, 5 by 3. From this to this, also 5 by 3. From this to this, also 5 by 3. But if you will measure this line from 0, then we can say this one is what? 5 by 3. This one is what? 10 by 3. And this one is what? 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. It means this is 5. So, to represent any rational number, especially in fraction form, we will what? First, we will represent the numerator, for example, 5. Then, denominator is 3. So, we will divide this gap in 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3. And all of this part will be 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 3. From 0 to this point, this represents 5 by 3, this 10 by 3, and this one 15 by 3. Hence, we have learned about how can we represent any rational number on number line. Next example is, suppose that we have to represent minus 2 by 3. First, we will draw a line where take a point to represent 0. Now, in left side of 0, suppose that this point represent minus 2. Now, we have to represent minus 2 by 3. So, what can we do? Divide this part in 3 equal parts. For this purpose, at equal interval, take 2 lines, 1, 2, and these 2 lines, divide this gap in 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3. And all of this part will be minus 2 by 3. For example, from 0 to this point, minus 2 by 3. From this point to this point, minus 2 by 3. From this point to this point, minus 2 by 3. But from 0, this one is minus 2 by 3, this one is minus 4 by 3, and this one is minus 6 by 3, that is equal to minus 2. But minus 2 by 3 can be represented as this line. Now, we will learn about how can we insert a rational number, two rational number, or many rational numbers between two rational numbers. So, the next topic is what? inserting rational number between two rational numbers. Suppose that if we have to insert a rational number between -2 and 5. How can we insert one single rational number between two rational numbers? To insert single rational number between two rational numbers, add these two rational numbers and divide by 2. Means we have to find out the middle term of these two rational numbers. For example, -2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to what? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is rational number less than 5 and greater than -2. Next example is insert three rational numbers between -2 and 5. If you will be asked to insert three rational numbers between -2 and 5, then what can we do? First, the first rational number is 3 by 2 and second will be what? -2 plus 3 by 2 by 2 is equal to -4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to -1 by 4. It means -1 by 4 greater than -2 and less than 3 by 2. Next, if we have to insert, there are so many methods to insert rational number between any two rational numbers. So this one is the first method. How can we insert more than single rational number? So -2 less than -4 less than 3 by 2. Once more we have to find out another rational number between 3 by 2 and 5. So we will write 3 by 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 10 by 4 is equal to 13 by 4. So three rational numbers between -2 and -5 will be what? -2 less than -1 by 4 less than 3 by 2 less than 13 by 4 less than 5. So between -2 and 5, these three are rational numbers. This is one method. And now let us learn another method. How can we insert more than single rational number between any two rational numbers? The steps are what? First, we can see that denominator of these two rational numbers are same, 3, but numerator is what? 1 and 2, and the number between 1 and 2 is what? No any integer number. So first we will what? Do 1 into 10. We will multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So 1 into 10, 3 into 10. In next one, 2 into 10 and 3 into 10. This will become 10 by 30 and this will become 20 by 30. Now insert all numbers between 10 to 20. You can write as 11 by 30, 12 by 30, 13 by 30, 14 by 30, 15 by 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 rational numbers are between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So these are less than 2 by 3 and greater than 1 by 3. Now next, one more example, and 3 by 7. Here we can see 5 and 7 denominator are different. So first we will do what? We will try to make these two denominators as same. For this purpose we can write LCM of 5 and 7. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? The LCM of 5 and 7 is what? 35. So to make denominator 5 as 35, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 7. So it will become 2 into 7 by 5 into 7, and this will become 3 into 5 by 7 into 5. 2 into 7 is 14, by 5 into 7 is 35, and this is what? 15 by 35. Now we can see denominators of these two rational numbers are same, but between numerator 14 and 15 there is no any integer. So again we will do what? Multiply 10 by numerator and denominator. And this also. Now between 140 and 150 we can write easily rational numbers as 141 by 350 greater than 2 by 5, 142 by 350, 143 by 350, 144 by 350, 145 by 350, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next one is 150, 350. Hence we can insert many rational numbers between two given rational numbers. यदि आप इस चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें, साथ में अपने दोस्तों को भी बताएं। धन्यवाद।